liquid exert force on all sides of the container in which they are taken. The thrust acting per unit area by a liquid is liquid pressure. Did you remember this experiment? What is that? Yes, this experiment shows you how depth influences liquid pressure. Fix identical balloons A, B and C on a PVC pipe. Fill water in the pipe and observe the expansion of balloons. Which balloon has expanded more? Yes, the balloon C expands more because the pressure experienced in balloon C is greater than A and B. Hence we can say as depth increases, pressure also increases. The next experiment we have to find the relation between the density and liquid pressure. Firmly fix two identical balloons at the lower end of two identical PVC pipes. Fill one of the pipes with water and the other with kerosene. What do you observe? Yes. The balloon filled with the pipe containing water expands more. The density of water is greater than that of kerosene. So, water can exert more pressure than kerosene. So, we can say the factors affecting liquid pressure are the height of the liquid column H, the density of the liquid D, and the acceleration due to gravity G. Then, liquid pressure P equal to HdG. Then we have studied about atmospheric pressure. Did you understand this experiment? Burn a few pieces of paper and put it in a tall glass bottle. Peel a fully ripe banana a little and place it at the mouth of the bottle when the paper has almost burned. What do you observe? Yes, the banana slips into the bottle. What may be the reason? Listen. When paper burns, the pressure inside the bottle increases. So, some air goes outside. And when the mouth of the bottle is shut by banana, the pressure of air inside the bottle is less than the atmospheric pressure. As a result, the atmospheric pressure pushes the banana into the bottle. From this experiment, you have understood that atmospheric air can exert pressure. Then what is atmospheric pressure? The weight of the air column over unit area of the Earth's surface is atmospheric pressure. And remember one thing, the density of atmospheric air near the surfaces of Earth is greater and it decreases as we go up. Hence, atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up. Let's see some of the situations where atmospheric pressure is made use. Drinking juice using a straw. Ink is taken from the bottle using filler. Pumping of water. Then, do you know why astronauts use specially designed clothes? Yes, in the outer space there is no air. Hence, atmospheric pressure is not experienced there. This causes the breaking of blood vessels due to the high pressure in the blood. To avoid this, astronauts use specially designed clothes to provide a pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure. As mountaineers climb higher altitudes, there is a possibility of nasal bleeding. The reason is, as height increases, atmospheric pressure decreases. So, at the top of high mountains, atmospheric pressure is very low. It causes the bursting out of small blood vessels in the nose. Fixing rubber suckers on polished surface. When rubber suckers are fixed in smooth surfaces, air between them are expelled. The space between the sucker and the surface becomes partially vacuum. The atmospheric pressure outside the sucker helps them to firmly fixed on the surface. The device used to find atmospheric pressure is barometer. Students, our third chapter has completed. In this chapter, you learned about force and its practical application. Study well. Thank you.